Today I am testing something brand new, and honestly, I didn't expect it to be this good. Higgsfield just launched Nano Banana Pro, a next-gen image engine powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model, and it claims to fix the biggest problems in AI image generation. Broken text, weird faces, off-model characters, bad structures, and inconsistent results. Come on, who wants an AI that does any of these? Higgsfield's Nano Banana claims they have the solution, so we're going to check it out. And yes, it now generates up to 4K, which is wild. Before we jump into the hands-on demo, here is why this launch matters. Nano Banana Pro isn't just a new model. It has visual reasoning, meaning it actually thinks before generating. It understands numbers, diagrams, UI layouts, packaging, facial consistency, and even reads your prompt structure instead of guessing. And quick heads up, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 full year if you subscribe before November 24th. That's honestly one of the lowest prices in the AI market right now. Don't let this chance pass by. Let's jump inside the site so I can show you exactly how it works now. From the dashboard, I'm selecting Nano Banana Pro, which I have already done. Make sure you are using the Pro version because that's where all the new upgrades are. I'm starting with 4K because this is honestly the feature I was most skeptical about, because AIs do not generate 4K, but they say they do. So let's find out. So I have my prompt ready and I'm going to put my prompt in there and generate. Select aspect ratio. 4K. Yep. Let's try this. Now generate. Let's see how it goes. Now that it's done, let's check it out. So okay, let me see. Okay, look at the details. Look at this, the clarity is insane. No artifacting. The highlights, the texture, everything is crisp. This is easily good enough for thumbnails, posters, ads, or even print mockups. Now the part everyone cares about. Can it actually render text the right way? Let's find out. So this is my prompt that I'm going to use. Just a simple prompt. And let's see how it does it. Turn on Unlimited and run it. This is one of the first AI tools where the text comes out correctly, readable and consistent. No random extra letters, no broken strokes, and this works for UI, packaging, dashboard, anything with text. This will be a game changer for thumbnails. I won't lie. This will be a game changer for thumbnails. So if you want to create thumbnails, AI thumbnails per se, you can use this, and it also looks real. It looks so real. This is going to be crazy. Next is identity control, something most models fail at. So as usual, I got my prompt ready, paste, and let's see how it does it. Generate. Now let's check out our character. Actually did good, and our character looks real. Character does look real. Now let's change the prompt a bit. Let's change your location and see how good it does with character consistency. So instead of an urban rooftop, let me say empty arena. Now let's see. Generate. Let's see how good it does with character consistency. Surprisingly, yes, it actually does fit here. It does match here. I didn't use any reference image, just the same prompt again to generate the same person somewhere else, and it actually did quite a good job. But now I'm going to use her image as the character reference. So Let me save it as character and then upload it right here. And then an image of this character in Paris. This character. A black tank top in Paris. So we wait for the image to upload. Nice. Now that the image is done, let's test it out and see how good it does with character consistency when you upload a reference image. So this is what it looks like without a reference image. I'm convinced this is the same face across angles, expressions, like lighting changes, and the skin texture doesn't turn uncanny. This is huge. This is a huge deal for thumbnail artists, storytellers, and anyone building consistent characters. I'm going to use this for the thumbnail for the video. Because look at this. Look at the reference image. It's the exact same person, no doubt. Okay, this one actually surprised me as well. Nano Banana Pro has real visual reasoning, which some AIs don't. I'm kind of still skeptical, but let's see how it does it. This is my prompt. Very complicated prompt. I'm forgetting to remove this. Now let's see how it does it. Oh, this is what he gave me. Wow. It actually understands the instructions. It counts correctly, respects structure, and the layout stays logical. This is perfect for teachers or educators, brand, dashboards, and diagrams. Because look, why does it even look so real? Jumping on to the next one, this model follows the instructions better than most. This model follows instructions better than almost anything out there right now. As usual, I have my prompt ready and generate. And just like that, our image is ready. So let's check it out. A red mark on the left, blue notebook in the middle, and a yellow pencil on the right. See the way everything is aligned accordingly, exactly as described. Most models would mix the colors or shift the layout. Nano Banana pays accurate attention. And now for the final demonstration, they also added a one-click 4K upscaler. So I'm going to take this 1K image and push it to 4K. Oh yes. Now it's done. Let's check it out. Oh yes. Oh yes, it actually cooked. Bro. No blur, no artifacts, it stays clean. Ideal for turning simple ideas into high-end assets. I underestimated this AI and now I have been blown away. So after running all these tests, Nano Banana Pro is honestly one of the most stable, most logical, and most production-ready image models I have tested in 2025. And again, the unlimited 1-year generation deal is insane value if you are someone who makes thumbnails, ads, posters, or any kind of visual content. If you want more content like this, or you want to learn and edit, you want to break down with templates, or something you want to learn about video editing or using AI in video editing, make sure to let me know in the comments. I have my socials here. You can tag me on your creations and I'll check them out. Make sure to also like and subscribe, and let's push AI creativity even further. Until next time.